Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Fahan Wazuki. My metric number EB19169 from section 2. Now, I would like to explain about electrical problem in a car for subject basic maintenance, and the subject code is DEE2612. This slide was prepared by me, Hazim, Naufal and Sola. So, first of all, I would like to explain about the introduction. So, the purpose of this assignment is to figure out how to use the failure analysis technique to solve the problem in the real world. So, as the group member, we have discussed and we decide to choose one of the problems that we found in the YouTube channel. Where is it about the electrical problem that usually happen in a car? To function properly, modern cars are highly reliant on electrical system. Almost all of your car's operation is powered by alternator, battery, and other electrical device. And if they start to malfunction, you can encounter a wide range of problems with your car. However, misdiagnosing electrical issues with your car can be straightforward. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum, and my name is Ahmad Saruddin bin Amir. My ID is EB1931. Okay, today I will talk about root cause, RCA. Root cause is defined as a factor that causes a non-conformance and should be permanently eliminated through process improvement. The secondly is the root cause is the core issue, the highest level cause that set in motion the entire cause and effect a reaction that ultimately leads to the problems. We skip to number 3, we go to the number 4. RCA approach general more toward identifying through root cause than others. Some are more general problem solving technique, and others simply offer support for the core activity of root cause analysis. 5. History of root cause analysis. Said approach to the root cause analysis and conducting root cause analysis, and then lastly root cause analysis is a resources.
Okay, for the diagram of RCA, okay, we can see the bottom root cause. Go to the higher level cause and first level cause, and go to the visible problem, and lastly is for symptom. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and my name is Ahmad Naufal, EB19088, and my turn is to explain about the Ishikawa diagram that we have created for the problem that we have found in the electrical problem in car. So the effect that we can see is the grounding fault. The problem that we see that in the car is there is a grounding fault, and there are 5 things. The first one is method. Maybe the ground wires is placed wrong, or maybe because of the wire is loose, or maybe the power component installation. Then for the strap material strap, the grounding strap, maybe because of the cheap strap and easily rusted, means that the wire is easy to become rust, and the third one is the damage strap. Maybe it's the worn out, or the tear out the strap. So for the battery, because of the battery loose terminal, the terminal at the battery loose, and the battery is not charged, maybe because of the damaged terminal. And for the personal personal cost is because of the careless. The user is careless and no service means that the user not care about his or her car, and there is no service at all. And the last one is environment. The heavy rain, maybe the heavy rain and humidity will cause the strap inside or the body, the engine inside the body become rust because of maybe because the wildlife, the animal outside, maybe the car is stay too long outside and it's attract the other animal to build a nest or anything else on the car. So this is the Ishikawa diagram that we create. Thank you. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hazim Mahmi Berosli. My metric number is EB19171. For the conclusion is, in conclusion, an significant part of the car's electrical system is the ground wire. It is referred to in some situation as the negative battery cord. From the negative battery terminal, the wire comes all the way and it attached to the chassis. You can begin to face all form of electrical problem as the cable become loose. We need to fix this problem, which is check the connection of the battery to avoid from short circuit. Make sure the power of battery in good condition is very important to allow the car engine to run smoothly with enough energy. If your ground strap is damaged or worn out, the electrical circuit will come across resistance while trying to deliver power to the headlight in front of your vehicle. If there still appear to be electricity in your vehicle, but it seems a bit less powerful than normal, you can conduct a voltage test on your battery. Of course, another reason for a dead battery could be issues with your alternator or the wire that connect from the alternator to the battery. When the ground strap is bad and you attempt to start your vehicle, you will probably hear a lot of tapping sound. If the ground strap appears to be damaged or worn out just by looking at it, then it is safe to assume you will need to replace it. For the discussion, if your accessory still does not work properly, after redoing the grounds, you will need to a voltmeter or multimeter to trace the wiring. Set the voltage to read ohm, which is resistance, and probe to the battery's negative start and ground connection on the accessory. If you have a reading less than 5 ohm, the ground is okay. If the resistance is okay, but the accessory still is not working right, set the voltage to DC current, which is voltage. Turn the accessory on the trace the grounding path as you did before. The voltage should be not greater than 5 volt under load. If you find a point where voltage is present, then you need to add a bonding strap or find a new grounding point, so no voltage is present at any of the grounding point. If the reading is higher, you need to probe to the grounding path between the accessory and the battery. Starting at the battery, run the voltage probe from the battery to the first grounding point, usually a fender on muscle cars and truck connection to where the fender attached to the main body, and from there to the accessory. If you find a point of higher resistance, which is over 5 ohm, you will need to attach a bonding strap or wire between the panels of part where resistance is highest. That's all for me. Thank you.